Hey, we're back 5:45. Seasonal allergies are wreaking havoc in the Houston area, and flu cases are still trickling in.
Yeah, here's a look at this week's What's Going Around.
Minute Clinic Physician's Assistant Kristen Fitzgerald is seeing flu A and B with symptoms like sudden high fever, body ache, sore throat, and fatigue. She says tree and grass pollen are high this time of year, so many people are suffering from those seasonal allergies. She's treating ringworm and cystic acne, as well as conducting tuberculosis skin tests. Pediatric hospitalist Dr. Carol Green says despite the light flu season overall, she's still seeing late-season flu at the Kelsey-Seybold St. Luke's Medical Tower. At the Kelsey-Seybold Fort Bend Medical and Diagnostic Center, Dr. Fong Van Law is seeing patients with allergy flares, asthma exacerbation, pneumonia, bronchitis, viral stomach flu, and sinusitis. Flu A and B are also going around in the Pearland area, along with strep throat and pneumonia, according to Dr. Suma Manjunath. And in Pasadena, Dr. Angelica Higgins is reporting strep throat, upper respiratory infections, and staph skin infections this week.
Well, staph infections can usually be treated successfully with antibiotics, but some bacteria have become dangerously resistant and no longer respond to common antibiotics. You can read more about what's going around in your neighborhood at click2houston.com. Just click on the health section.